Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Betty B. If you're someone who enjoys vlog, welcome to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. Please do make sure you hit that subscribe button. Stick around and let's see what this vlog has for us. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel and see you in the video.
You were there when I was here, falling like tears. You say you came, you don't have to pretend that you want me, cause you don't care. I don't need friends near you. If I tell you something, I can live without you, but I always say that I don't want to, cause I'm really stuck all about you. I deny it, but I really like you. Baby, I wanna be you, wanna know why. Be your first but the last one. I'm not good to be your life. I just wanna know if I tell you something. Baby, I'm still thinking about you. If I tell you something, baby, I'm still thinking about you.
So right now I'm gonna take a shower. I think it's almost 5 and my 2-step skincare routine is here. I don't do 7, so I'll see you when I'm done taking a shower. Yep.
Have to pretend that you want me, cause you don't care. I don't need friends near you. If I tell you something, I can live without you, but I always say that I don't want to, cause I'm really stuck all about you.
This is the moisturizer that I use for my face, daily moisturizer, and this is the body lotion, and then just the normal deal from Nivea and Dove. I don't know why I'm mixing up everything, but yeah, it's working.
Baby, I'm still thinking about you. If I tell.
Okay, so we're going to pick an outfit. I have the base. Let me show you the base first of all before we go to the top. Yep. So this is the base that I'll be working with. It's a denim short. You can see from Pool, and yeah, it's so cute. Yep. Let's try it on. Top options. This is A, this is B. I don't know which one you love, but let's zoom in. Like a basic top with, yep, no details. Like one hand has a little bit of details here, and yeah. So I'm gonna try all of them and see how both of them look. And since I'm going out in the evening, I'm gonna need like a blazer or a jacket. So let's try out. I have this option, and this is a cropped blazer. I love black. Any day I would wear black. Denim jacket, so I might let me get dressed up and then I'll come back. Yep, bye. Okay, so let me show you the final look from the back. This is what it looks like, and then from the front, this is what we got. With this belt, ring, silver. Start with the black one. Yeah, so this is what the black one looks like from the side. And from the back, and this is the other side of it, and from the front, try the denim one. Yep. The good thing about the denim one, it's matching the shorts. Let's turn around. Let's turn around. In the comment section, which one do you think I picked? Oh, I didn't show you the shoes. The shoes. Anyways, now we have to go. I'll see you as we go.
A few moments later.
Hey, hey! Chef mwenyewe. See body. As you can see. TikTok. Okay, my friend.
Opinions are not very good.
Hey, 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 hey!
And
Then you add some flex.
add some flex. Let's go.
It's winter fight.
Okay, so guys, please, I have on.
A few moments later.
So it's midnight. I just came from the barbecue thing. As you can see, I just changed into this outfit and I have an assignment which is due tomorrow. Like, it's supposed to be presented tomorrow at 7. I have a psychology class and this assignment was given yesterday, so the plan was to do it today after work, but I don't know, for some reasons I just didn't do it. Now I have to spend the next 2 hours working on it and then just get it ready so that I don't disappoint my group. It's group work, and group work you have to do it, so, and it has to be presented tomorrow. So let's get into it and see how much time we all are going to spend here. It's a research work. Let's trust the process. For those of you who are taking their postgraduate studies, yay, keep going. This thing is not easy, especially if you're doing your postgraduate and you have a family, you have work, you have a lot happening. Keep going. We are in this together, and all the best. So let's get into the work. Yes. So, the assignment is about psychoanalytical theories and how they shape emotional development of a child. So yeah, the plan is not to use ChatGPT, because if I do that, they're gonna catch me. So I'll just go straight, find articles, read them, and yeah, see you shortly.
The next day.
You were there when I was here, falling like tears. You say you came, you didn't, don't have to pretend that you want me, 'cause you don't care. I don't need friends near you. If I tell you something, I can live without you.
So let's zoom in. Here is the final product. Can someone just tell McDonald's that they have nothing on me? Take a look.
Be your first but the last one. I'm not good to be your life. I just wanna know if I tell you something. Baby, I'm still thinking about you. If I tell you something, baby, I'm still thinking about you. Yeah. You were there when I was here, falling like tears. You say you came, you didn't, don't have to pretend that you want me, 'cause you don't care. I don't need friends near you. If I tell you something, I can live without you. But I always say that
One eternity later.
Yeah, this is the outfit of the day. I have this play suit. This is what it looks like from the front, because it's gonna get cold inside the library.
you were there when I was here, falling like tears. You say you came, you didn't, don't have to pretend that you want me, 'cause you don't care. I don't need friends near you. If I tell you something, I can live without you. But I always say that I don't want to, 'cause I'm really stuck all about you. I deny it, but I really like you. Baby, wanna be you, wanna know why. I'm not being your first but the last one. I'm not good to be your life. I just wanna know if I tell you something.
So I'm on my way from the library, and my good company is some good, a beautiful sunset. I wish we could see it properly, But all in all, let's keep going. This is the road to, I'm going to the metro. That's the metro. Let's zoom it. Yeah, it's basically a 13-minute walk, and anyways, everyone is walking, so we walk together. Yep.
You were there when I was here, falling like tears. You say you came.
Unfortunately, by the time I was getting to the shop, it was already too late and they had closed. So I decided to pop into this shop to do some window shopping. I ended up buying some stuff. Sad.
I don't want to, cause I'm really stuck all about you. I deny it, but I really like you. Baby, wanna be you, wanna know why. I'm not being your first, but the last one. I'm not good to be your life. I just wanna know if I tell you something. Baby, I'm still thinking about you.
I've always wanted to own some Valentino shoes. This is my favorite type of shoe, but then for some reasons I wasn't convinced about this one. Something inside of me was like, no, not today, so I didn't buy them.
You were there when I was here, falling like tears. You say you came. You didn't, don't have to pretend that you want me.
The next day.
So it's a Sunday. Welcome to this Sunday. Getting my outfits ready for tomorrow because I still have a lot lined up to do. So let's get this ready together.
Denied it, but I really like you. Baby, wanna be you, wanna know why. I'm not being your first, but the last one. I'm not good to be your life. I just wanna know if I tell you something.
So I show you the difference between this side. I have already removed the lint, and this side I haven't removed the lint. So you see the difference? Do you understand why you have to remove lint from your clothes? Yeah. Yes. At least we're gonna look well put together in this fit tomorrow, inshallah. So if I get a photo,
You were
free Pelari trials, it's Pelari. Yeah, so today I'm going, it's 4 p.m. It's walk and also bring you along and show you around. Yep.
cause you don't care, I don't need friends near you. If I tell you something, I can live without you. But I always say that I don't want to, cause I'm really stuck all about you. I denied it, but I really like you. Baby, wanna be you, wanna know why. I'm not being your first.
Yeah, if you're watching this video from UAE, Dubai, let me know in the comment section if you know this area that's showing you around. Look at that. Wow.
If I tell you something, baby, I'm still thinking about you. Yeah. You were there when I was here, falling like tears. You say you came. You didn't, don't have to pretend that you want me, cause you don't care. I don't need friends near you. If I tell you something, I can live without you. But I always say that I don't want to, cause I'm really stuck all about you. I denied it, but I really like you. Baby, wanna be you, wanna know why. I'm not being your first, but the last one. I'm not good to be your life. I just wanna know if I tell you something. Baby, I'm still thinking about you. If I tell you something, baby, I'm still thinking about you. Yeah.
Going home after my trial classes. See the excitement. Hello, what do you want? Hello. Hi. What? Ah! Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.